to review the Deluxe Destruction pack and the Atomic Roar figure. Here's the Atomic Roar stuff.
Now it's Deluxe.
Oh, I mean Deluxe Destruction pack.
You get
right here's Muto. Right here's Muto.
And right here is Godzilla, King of the Monsters.
And here's the buildings. Each of these little cracks, it's a place where the buildings can be destroyed.
This piece comes with three buildings. This comes with 4. And there's the Golden Gate Bridge. You have the ship, and you have 2 helicopters with no detail on it. Just a little molded thing.
And we don't know where the little jets are.
Yeah, we lost them.
Yeah, it was mainly Colby.
And this, you can snap the leg. Wait, you can snap the legs on, pop them back on, and yeah, and you get one little ship. It has a lot of not that very detailed, but it looks like on the movie.
And don't forget, Muto's legs can move a teensy bit. Like this. It feels like the one single piece. See it? I'll give you a circle view. And here's a circle view of Godzilla by Colby Bush.
Yeah. You could take the legs off. You could take the arms off. You can't move its tail, but it has a lot of detail.
Yeah, including the spikes.
There's also packs of destruction you get with the Winged Muto. It comes with 1.
Yeah.
And you buy these at Toys R Us or Target. That's where you get them.
Yeah, I found a giant Godzilla at Toys R Us and did a toy review on it for the 4 subscriber special.
And here's the Golden Gate Bridge.
You can you can put them on and off like this.
Here's Muto, and he's an S-type toy. He has a little. You can do that. You can put his arms. And one more thing. Okay. Other one. On the end, we'll show you something. It'll be a surprise. Okay. Here's the heli. You have Muto right here. You can have Muto and Godzilla come flying in there, smashing all the buildings.
And these buildings can do the same thing as the
Golden Gate Bridge. On the there's toys of them. It comes with red bridges and blue.
Yeah, the red bridges makes more sense.
Yeah, this Muto, it's a male, and I just like this Muto. You have the city.
I just hope that's not false information.
Here's an ant climbing on there. Here's the buildings you get with it. I'm just holding it.
And right here is the other buildings.
Where Godzilla is. Godzilla, the buildings fall on Godzilla on the movie. And I think that's pretty much
it for this part of it. And that's not all.
Atomic Roar figure.
It doesn't have that many features. And here's what he is. Orange moves as 2 different pieces. This moves to reveal the main feature. And let's move as one single piece to do this. Wow, looks cool, doesn't it? In the other video I made of this, guess what? It had a slight laser glow.
It can glow in the dark if you blew a fire in it. So I think that's pretty much it.
But don't forget about the bonus video.
Boneless video. And I think that is it.
Sorry for the stick through, but because we had to put the buildings back together from when we were destroying them. And here's the bonus video.
Let me just fix the helicopter. We'll get back on the review. Okay, let's do our review. Oh! Freaking swanky with the tail and head move. Freaking you fall down today. Probably you guys see this on it. Its arms. Probably you guys won't think it has 8 legs. This is all the legs, including this and this.
Yeah, it looks like horse legs, doesn't it?
I know. It has you can snap the legs back on.
Yeah, like this.